What's up everybody? If you have a toddler bedroom or if you have a bedroom that you want to add privacy to on your windows or keep the hot summer sun away, today's video is for you. We're going to be installing a window film. These are stylish and practical ways of adding privacy, decoration to your windows, and in the summer, keeping that heat out. We're going to see how it works and how easy it is to install. Stay tuned for the whole video. Alright guys, so you can see the dilemma that we're having here. If we want our toddler to take a nap during the day, it's kind of hard because the sun is always kind of shining, right? So we are going to be putting up two darkening vinyl films here and here. But these are the different designs that it also comes with. This is the design that we chose. And we need warm water with soap. This is going to allow us to get the bubbles out, and if we need to readjust it, we can without it sticking too hard. A sponge squeegee or a plastic squeegee, something to push water without scratching the vinyl again, and then a very sharp X-Acto knife to get. First, measure the film against your window and cut it to match the window's height and width. Next, spray soapy water on the window, then peel off the film backing and stick it into the window. Now take a very sharp blade and then slowly go down, you all the way down, and then peel it. There we go. There we go. So that's done. That's done. You can see how right now the sun is really coming down because it's setting. I'm going to show you. So there's the sun right there. And you can see how bright it is, and this is definitely stopping that sun of coming in, and it's giving us that extra little shadow. So the film that we chose are planets because they have this like blue wall, and we have enough for basically 3 windows because our windows are pretty tall. So you can see how bright it is. I mean, you can't really make out my hand, right, because the silhouette. Oh yeah, see, it's getting even brighter. And here's what it looks like from the inside, and here's what it looks like at night. So you can still see the lights from the pot lights of the house. So here is. So, and it looks kind of neat at night as well for the little guy or gal. So yeah, definitely happy with this.